we are so excited for this partnership and so excited to be expanding from what's been headquartered in Dallas, Texas, and Zurich to now expand to Singapore and expand our sights on just the treasure trove of impact opportunities in Southeast Asia. But can you share from your perspective, why is Eagle Venture Fund Asia launching and why are you excited about it?
I mean, it's a very personal thing for me. I've been an investor for a few years in Eagle Venture Fund. And one day I thought to myself, the companies at Eagle Venture are investing in Europe and investing in the United States, in North America. They're making good impact. They're making great impact. Wait a minute. What about opportunities in Asia? How can those companies making impact there also impact Asia? Human trafficking, access to healthcare, poverty and disadvantaged families from socioeconomic groups that are really suffering in different parts. And then that's when I decided, I think I should not just be a passive investor and seeing how good stuff is being done and saying, where can I contribute? So there's three things here. First, we want to raise capital. Asian investors are very keen to participate in venture capital, especially venture capital that's basically focusing on social impact investing. Number two, we believe there are opportunities and companies here that's doing great work that we need to start to identify, look for. We want to take an opportunity to co-labor with them, for lack of a better term. We want to participate in their excitement from an equity point of view so that we can help them bring some of the businesses and the impact they're trying to make to fruition globally, not just in Asia. And finally, I think it's important. We want to import, we want to learn, we want to embrace some of these methodologies, this kind of framing and concepts and business models. We're looking for companies that are startups that perhaps has already established MVP, a minimum viable product. Mm-hmm. They may have one or two clients or two customers. They may have already penetrated and identified a product market fit. Maybe revenues may or may not have started yet. We'd like to see some revenue started. Eagle Venture as a methodology has brought into the picture. That intentionality, and then taking that intentionality into a systematic way of reviewing, screening, and prioritizing how we look at investing. And we help them through different ways, through capital, through our context, through the influences we have in the marketplace, and help them connect the dots so they can do the great job that we've invested in. I think the first word to focus on is, what are you passionate about? As an investor, what are you passionate about as a founder or a CEO or co-founder? And then the next level is, do you have certain skill sets? Do you have what I call an unfair advantage? Because you happen to know the potential clients or the potential customers, or you happen to have access to people who have access to the customer base. Are you able to articulate your ideas into a plan, a strategy and a plan, perhaps even a financial model? And if you don't have that capability to translate your ideas and strategy and plan to a financial model, the good news is we at Eagle can help you with that, right? That's where one of our core competencies are. We want investors who are very passionate, but who wants to hold us, the fund, accountable to be able to deliver results, measure those results, both from financial point of view, valuations, revenues, market share, those kind of commercial parameters, as well as impact. How many lives have been uplifted? The healthcare, the medication, the healthcare service, how many people has been served? If it's education, how many people have had new skills and they've been able to upgrade their livelihood by how much percentage? If it's human trafficking, how many people have we stopped from being trafficked in the first place?
Well, really excited to be launching together Eagle Venture Fund Asia. It's incredible to be together, and we just honor the Lord for what He's been doing already and excited about the future together. Thank you so much, Carl.